In this video, I'll show you how you can hide the chat in Roblox. Now, first step is you want to find a server that you want to play. Let's say we want to go into this one. So simply open it up and wait for it to load. Now, once this is done loading, you're gonna come into the game. And as you can see, you have the chat up here. Now, the way that you can remove this is you can simply click on this little chat box right here. So if I click on it now, you can see it will disappear. Another thing you can do is, if you don't want to remove the chat from in here, you can go back to the Roblox website real quick. Once you're on the Roblox website, go to settings up here, find privacy, communication, and turn it to off. That's basically how you can remove the chat from the websites and stuff. So that's how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.